This is a supplementary video specifically for Mac users when installing thermal receipt printers. Now the thermal receipt printers use what's called a CUPS interface, which is commonly known as Common Unix Printing System, and this allows the thermal receipt printer to talk to your Mac computer. Now in most cases when you install your drivers for your thermal receipt printer and then you plug in your thermal receipt printer to your Mac, it should automatically detect. And when you go to your system preferences and you check your printers out, in most cases the thermal receipt printer should already be listed here. Now if the thermal receipt printer isn't listed, this is where you'll need to enable the CUPS interface in order to make the printer visible on your Mac PC. So in order to do this, what we need to do is to go over to our Enabling CUPS Interface for Mac support article. And from there you can find a link that you can click on. And if we click on this link here and open it up in a new tab, it will say here that the web interface is disabled. It's going to give you a code that you need to enter in order to enable this interface. So if we highlight this quickly, and if we copy this, we can now have the code ready to enter in. So going back to the support article, if we scroll down, the next thing we need to do is to open up the terminal interface. So in order to do this, you select the search bar on the top right, which will bring you to what's called a spotlight search. And if you type in terminal, you'll find here that there'll be a link to open up the application called Terminal on your Mac. So by selecting this, it's going to bring us to the terminal interface. So from here, all we need to do is to right click here and select paste. Hit enter and it's going to run and allow the terminal interface to be enabled. So all we need to do now is to go back to the link again and open it up. And we can see here now that the printers are listed. And we can see here that our thermal receipt printer is also listed here if required. So that's all that's required to enable the CUPS interface. If you do require further assistance with this, feel free to go to your Hike store and select the Need Help button. And you can chat with our 24/7 support team or submit a ticket from there. Thank you for your time.